I just got done building the 2025 maze for our pumpkin patch this year. So my kids are gonna test it out. Got 3 kids, 3 different ages. It's gonna be a race to see who can finish it first. We're starting with middle kid, Leo, 8 years old. Let's go. Got the stopwatch ready. Are you ready?
Yeah.
3, 2, 1, go.
I understand. It's making it harder.
You're going that way? I don't even think he saw the first decision. Oh, there's a bunny in here with us. Yeah. Don't let me get in your way. Which way? Which way, Western man? That way, huh? You looking over? You cheating? It's okay. You can look over if you want. Use every advantage you have. You're on the clock, man.
Hey.
You think it's that way?
Where else do I go?
Oh, there's a bunch of ways to go. Bless you. Bless you. What? You're so close. That's the exit. Oh, right there. You're so close. You gotta hurry, man. You're on the clock. And stop. 1 minute and 33 seconds.
Definitely not.
You don't think Nico's gonna beat you?
No.
Do you think Jasmine will beat you?
Probably.
What?
Probably.
I don't know. That was pretty fast. 1 minute 33. Was it hard?
Not really.
Not really? All right. Next is the youngest, Nico, 5 years old. Are you ready? Your exit is on the other side over there, okay? Ready? 3, 2, 1, go. Nico has a huge disadvantage because he can't see over the pallets. And this is going to be, we might be here a while, folks. Left or right?
No way.
Oh, he can't see over the pallets, but he can see through them. He just saw, smart kid. He saw he saw through it. He saw the dead end. Yeah, the entrance is over here. Oh, you're not done yet, buddy. This is halfway. Now you got to get out the other side. No? Now where do you go? Hurry, hurry, man, hurry. You're on the clock. Oh, he's so close. You're so close. Go, 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 go. And stop. 1:54. Wow. You got through that faster than I thought you would.
What?
Was it hard?
Yeah.
Was it hard? Was it fun?
Yeah.
All right. One more kid. All right. So last up is Jasmine. You don't need a hint. You're tall enough. All right. 11 years old. 3, 2, 1, go. Whoops. First mistake. She's got to hurry now. She's got to go. She's got to beat 1:33 to beat brother. You've made it halfway. Now which way? Oh, that was a costly mistake. You got to get out of here. Move, kids, move.
Oh.
Another mistake.
Stop following me.
Me? You got 20 seconds to get out. You gotta go. You gotta move. You gotta move. And you did it. 1:26. You beat. You won. You beat him by 5 seconds. Was it hard?
Daddy, and next time I'm going backwards.
Was it hard?
Yeah.
Yeah.
Ah.
You got second place.
I am going backwards.